my channel. So I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. So I've decided that for today's recipe, we're going to be doing a chicken and rice soup. So before we get into that recipe, I really want to thank everybody for all the support that y'all have given my channel. And as always, remember to hit that subscribe and like button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's make some chicken and rice soup. For our chicken and rice soup, you're going to need the following: basil, parsley, oregano, thyme, mustard powder, pepper, butter, a small onion diced carrots, diced celery, garlic, chicken broth, soy sauce, hot sauce, and boneless chicken breast. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have our butter in a soup pan, or soup pot, and it's heated up over a medium-high heat and melted. And so to this we are going to add in our carrots, our celery, and our onions. And we're going to cook these down until our vegetables are soft. So our vegetables have been going for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, our onions are becoming translucent and our vegetables are starting to soften. So now we're going to add in our garlic, and we're going to let this cook for about another minute. So our garlic has been cooking for about a minute. So now we're going to add in our chicken broth, and we're going to put roughly 6 to 7 cups of chicken broth, or chicken stock, whichever one you have available. We're going to also add in our hot sauce. I want to get all that hot sauce. And our soy sauce. And we're adding in our basil, parsley, oregano, thyme, mustard powder, pepper, give that a good stir. And now we're going to add in our chicken breast. And we're going to let this cook until our chicken breast is done and reach an internal of 160 or better. So our chicken has been cooking for about 15 minutes, so we're going to check its temperature. And we are at 165. We'll go ahead and pull him out. Go ahead and check our other one. And we are good there too. So we're going to pull these out. Oops. Get our piece of celery. And we're going to add about another cup or two of chicken broth. And now we're going to add in our rice. And we're going to let this cook until our rice is done. And once our rice is done, we're going to add in our chicken, which we are going to shred with a fork. All right, so this has been going for about 15 minutes and our rice is almost completely done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add back our shredded chicken. We're gonna give this a stir and we're gonna let this go another 5 minutes until the rice is done, and then we're gonna plate up. All right, so this has been going an additional 5 minutes. So let's check and see if our rice is completely cooked. Oops. And we're also going to check and see if we got enough salt. Rice is done. And just a bit more salt. Let me grab another spoon. Oh yeah, now that is spot on. All right, so I'm gonna get me a bowl and we're gonna serve us up some chicken and rice. Okay, so we've got us a bowl of chicken and rice soup. Yeah, this is definitely good for if you are feeling a bit under the weather or to warm you up on a cold day. Definitely going to be making this more often. So I really do hope you give this recipe a try. It's definitely going to make you feel better if you're feeling under the weather. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, hit that like button and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. So till next time, I'm going to finish my soup.